Hello everybody, my name is BDF018 and welcome back to a brand new logo at alternate MOC. Today we're converting 76906's Star Wars A-Wing into 76906's Aerobatic Monoplane. Yes, a second plane conversion in less than a week. Pretty darn cool if you ask me. This is slightly smaller, coming in at 188 pieces across 75 steps, so by they get roughly 2.5 pieces on average per section for this build. It looks a bit more detailed and a bit cooler than the previous plane. Looking forward to building this thing, so let's take the A-Wing apart, put the pieces in our recording tubs, and get to today's build, the Aerobatic Monoplane. Enjoy. An easy full and complete conversion for the Star Wars A-Wing into the Aerobatic Monoplane, and a great little build this is. I really like this, but I'm annoyed about one little thing. I've lost a piece. One of my little black bits have gone flying somewhere. So annoying. It happens more often than not in LEGO, but I've actually lost one this time, and I have to go around my room and look for it. Anyway, I'll do that later on. Here is our plane, and this is very cool, longer than a normal set. I'll put this against my hand here, down to my wrist, a good length. Took about 35 minutes to build. Very simple, very straightforward. I really like this. It looks better than the last plane in my opinion. The last one had two variations. This is a singular design, a singular focus, and it really paid off well. Very nice design. I like how the front propeller moves. The obvious cockpit raising up. Looks very cool indeed. 76906 is a great set for the planes, it would seem. It's great what you can do with so much in such a little set. So I guess a big thumbs up from me. I'm looking forward to what else this set has to offer. As always, leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave a like, subscribe if you're new. Is this an MOC for you? Do you like the planes? Is this one for you? Or is it not really your type of vehicle? Are you not a fan of the plane MOCs, or do you love them? Let me know how you feel about them down below. With that said, I've been BDFO18. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next build. Take care.